Assalamu alaikum. I'm Riaz Ahmed, and as for once again, this what welcome to the online class, lecture number 3, and hopefully you all would be in the very best of your health and be safe. Just continuing, this what the very poem lines written by Emily Bronte, and as for in previous lecture, what analyzing or explaining the very first two stanzas. Now what I will come to the last two stanzas is for what just revising is for to you people that the very first stanza of this very poem, what the tone is of what the speaker, what she feels, something that she is excited, what we do find the excitement on her part. She is excited, she is happy that therefore this what she is ready for death. She wants to die, and this what showing that our excitement that what will happen after the death, and she is satisfied, she is happy, what she feels joy, and is for overall this what the mood of the poem is, for what it is, the atmosphere is sort of sorrow, of dismay, and what something what pessimistic, the darker side, what she is all in sorrow, in sadness, and in dismay. So let us come to the last two stanzas. Is for now what I come to the textual lines. This I should weep to leave thee here, on the dark ocean sailing drear, with storms around and fears before, and no kind light to point the shore. Again, this what the poet compares this very earthly life, this worldly life, and what the metaphor use, dark ocean. But this very life is compared to ocean. And what dark ocean? So what the poet attributes some this what negative adjectives to this very earthly life, or this what to this worldly life, is for dark ocean. This very life is compared to ocean, and it is dark ocean. So this I should weep to leave thee here, on the dark ocean sailing drearer. So this I should weep to leave thee. What I am living this very life, this earthly life, this worldly life, and it is something what the life, this very life, for me, just like a dark ocean. It is just like an ocean and dark one, a strange one, all full of this what is for of storms, of pain, and of suffering and troubles. Sailing drearer, it is something what a voyage for her. This earthly life, this worldly life, is just like a ocean, and what she is making a voyage, a difficult one, a challenging one, all full of pains, troubles, and sorrows. And what the ocean is, what all this life is, full of darkness, of sorrows, and of sadness, and of pain and troubles, all there is sufferings. So what she is making voyage, a difficult one and challenging one, and this I should weep to live. No need of this what of weeping, of mourning, that what I am departing from this very world. What बात ये कि मैं इस दुनिया को छोड़ने जा रही हूँ, ठीक है, और ये दुनिया मुझसे छूट जाएगी. कोई इस पे वीपिंग की बात नहीं है, कोई रोने की बात नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये लाइफ मेरे लिए एक डार्क ओशन की तरह है. ऐसा ओशन, ऐसा समंदर जिसमें मायूसी है, तारीकी है, गम है, परेशानी और तकालीफ है. और यहाँ पर सेलिंग ड्रेयर का मतलब सैडनेस होता है, ग्लूमी जिसको हम कहते हैं, कि एक ऐसे किस्म का एक सफ़र था मेरा जो कि all full of sorrows, of troubles and sufferings. What the voyage was for me, this what voyage was, what I was making voyage, and this what on the sea, on the ocean, and this what all this ocean full of sufferings, of darkness, of troubles and sorrows. ये जिंदगी मेरे लिए एक ऐसे कठिन सफ़र की तरह था, ठीक है, जैसे कि कोई कश्ती चल रही हो समंदर के ऊपर, और काफ़ी सारे उसको जो है स्टॉर्म्स का सामना हो, और तकालीफ का सामना हो, और डार्कनेस का सामना हो. तो ज़िंदगी में एक ऐसी मिसाल की तरह थी. सो विद स्टॉर्म्स अराउंड, दिस इज व्हाट when as forward a boat or ship is sailing there on the sea and what facing the storms. So just like this, what she was there in worldly life, she was there in earthly life, and what she was facing, all troubles and sorrows and darkness, all loss and fears before. इस दुनिया में सारे मेरे सामने तूफान थे, गम थे, परेशानियां, तकालीफ, खौफ, and no kind light to point the shore. No kind light. There was no source, no salvation. There was no escape for me to point the shore. Shore यहाँ पर हम सिंबल ले सकते हैं to shore. एक कश्ती है समंदर में जा रही है जनाब, और बड़ी तारीकी और बड़े जो है तूफान का सामना है. अब कोई बताने वाला भी नहीं है कि जनाब वो साहिल कहाँ पे है, कहाँ पे वो साहिल तक पहुँचा जा सकता है, बाई हिफाजत पहुँचा जा सकता है. तो यही उसके साथ भी यही मसला है. पोइट है, जो स्पीकर है, वो यही कहती है कि जनाब ज़िंदगी मेरे लिए ऐसा ही एक समंदर की तरह, तारीक समंदर की तरह था. ठीक, और यहाँ पर मुझे कोई भी रास्ता बताने वाला नहीं था. शोर की तरफ, साहिल समंदर की तरफ कोई पहुँचाने वाला नहीं था कि वहाँ पर जाकर मुझे सुकून हो, मैं सिक्योर फील करूँ और मुझे इन तकालीफ से निजात मिल जाए. तो जस्ट लाइक व्हाट दिस लाइफ वाज फॉर मी, देयर वाज नो सच salvation for me. There was no such solution for me as far to reach that destination, to reach all that, but the very place. तो ये एक मेरे लिए मसला ये बना हुआ था. लास्ट स्टेंजा में देखते हैं, but long or short though life may be, there's nothing to eternity. We part below to meet on high, where blissful edges never die. But long or short though life may be, it means the life may be short one, a brief one, it may be a long one, whatever may be the period or the duration of the life is, this is nothing to eternity. Eternity means that it is not forever, it is not permanent one. As for what the poet says, that the life may be short or brief or maybe long one, whatever may be the duration, the period of the life is, but what we don't compare this earthly life or worldly life to something what the eternal life. It means that it is not forever, it is not for permanent. And it's what we part below to meet an eye. We part below. Where we below? Below means here in this, on this very earth, in this very earthly life or worldly life, we part. It means what we have to live, what we have to depart. हमें जुदा होना पड़ेगा, हमें रुखसत होना पड़ेगा, मौत आएगी. To meet an eye. To meet an eye means eye, it means to the other world. It means it may be heaven. That what we have to depart, what we have to live, this very world, and where we will go there to the other world, to the eternal world, or to the heaven. And maybe what to meet your own ones, your dear ones, your beloved ones. Where blissful edges never die. Where blissful edges never die. It means there would be no death. All would be there forever. Blissful edges. And what this the period is, edges means the period, the duration. Blissful, it means all of full of blessings, all full of joys, happiness, of satisfaction, of relief. So what she says, where blissful edges never die. And that period was all full of relief, of satisfaction, of joy, of happiness. She wants to be there to enjoy that very life, all free from troubles, miseries, and all sufferings. Dear students, ये poems, पूरा एक poem था जो textual analysis हमने की है. तो उम्मीद है आपको ज़रूर पसंद आई होगी. आप ज़रूर कमेंट्स भी करें, मुझे अपने फीडबैक से ज़रूर आप आगाह करें, आप क्या चाहते हैं, किस किस्म के आपके क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं, और ज़रूर कमेंट्स में बताएं, फीडबैक दें, रिस्पांस दें मुझे, और जो भी आपके क्वेश्चन हो आपकी तरफ से मैं ज़रूर उसका जवाब दूंगा. साथ में एक थोड़ा सा ये भी अगर मैं आखिर में कुछ ये कि आप लोग जो है इसको ज़रूर देखें और फिर इसके ऊपर जो क्वेश्चन हो आप कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.